Soldering is a method of uniting two or more pieces of metal by means of a fusible alloy or metal called solder. Consider a soldering iron, electrode, stand. Soldering is mostly required wherever electronic components need to be connected to circuit boards. A blowtorch or soldering iron constitutes the equipment for heating the base metals and melting the solder and the flux. It is applied in the molten state. It is distinguished from welding by the base metals not being melted during the joining process, which may or may not include the addition of a filler metal.
Lead-containing solder are progressively being replaced by lead-free, which can be made of antimony, bismuth, brass, copper, indium, tin, or silver due to regulations. Preparation before soldering is tinning the tip. First and foremost, you need to ensure the tip is securely attached to the iron and screw in place. Second, turn on your soldering iron and wait for it to heat up, and set your soldering station temperature to 400 degrees Celsius or 752 Fahrenheit. It has the feature of adjustable temperature control. Third, you need to wipe the tip of the soldering iron using a damp wet sponge to clean it and wait for a few seconds to let the tip heat up again before proceeding to step 4. 4 is hold the soldering iron and solder in each hand, then touch the solder to the tip of the iron and ensure that the solder flow evenly around the tip.
Created using Powtoon.